Williams, he got a brand LS3 motor, 6-speed Summit fan, all diesel.
Yeah. But it's all LS3 stuff.
Yeah, that's what I got in that 38. I got a ton of things.
Oh, that's good. So you're selling, you got to pay her half or something. I get $5 for it, then you come back $5.
Well, I wish I could. Well, that's good.